Breaking news, everyone. Chinese actor Wang and Shen Yue have finally confirmed their relationship. In the exclusive interview, the couple opened up about their love story, sharing sweet moments and adorable anecdotes. Wang and Shen Yue meet on the set and have been inseparable even since fans has been shipping them for a month. And now it's officially the couple loves is reminder that true love can find you in the most unexpected way. Congratulations to Darling Wang and Shen Yu on their relationship. We wish them a lifetime of love and happiness together. And share your thoughts in the comment below. What you about this news? Now in the conclusion, Dalim Wong and Chen Yu relationship has shocking web to extremely thought out the entertainment industry and among their fans. Their love story is a reminder that true love can find you in the most unexpected way. We wish them a lifetime of happiness together. This announcement has solidified their status as one of the most Chinese most beloved celebrity couples, and we can't wait to see what the future holds for them. Thank you for watching Abnu Star News, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on your favorite celebrity.